Monday began with a sharp jolt for global financial markets. Crude oil prices surged more than 25% in a single session, triggering panic across stock markets worldwide. Indian markets were no exception. Sensex plunged more than 2,700 points during intraday trade before trimming losses. Nifty 50 slipped below 24,000 mark, touching an intraday low of 23,697.8. Within hours, billions in market value were wiped out, leaving investors wondering, is this just panic or the beginning of a deeper market correction? The trigger behind this turbulence is the sharp spike in crude oil prices, driven by rising geopolitical tensions in West Asia. When prices jump sharply, they push up inflation, widen the trade deficit, and strain public finances, risks that markets respond to quickly. Analysts at Bernstein believe the current surge could be an acute shock rather than a long-term structural shift in the oil market. Historically, conflicts may last years, but their intensity often cools after the initial weeks. For now, markets appear to be pricing crude around $110 per barrel for roughly a month, meaning the earnings impact may largely be limited to the current quarter. If prices ease soon, sentiment could stabilize. But if elevated oil prices persist into April, markets may face a deeper re-rating. According to Sunil Singhania, founder of Abacus Asset Manager, markets are currently being driven more by news flow than by economic fundamentals. Until there is clarity on the geopolitical situation, volatility could persist for the next few weeks. Yet, Singhania notes that before this shock, India's economic indicators were improving, suggesting the current volatility is largely sentiment-driven. For long-term investors, corrections can often create opportunities. History shows that after geopolitical shocks, such as during the Russia-Ukraine war, oil prices initially spike but eventually cool. When markets fall sharply from their peaks, it often creates attractive entry points. Singhania believes markets could end 2026 significantly higher than where they began, though patience will be essential. Some experts, however, urge caution. Rahul Singh, CIO Equities at Tata Asset Management, says valuations in several sectors had become stretched and the narrative-driven froth is now cooling. Also, India's valuation premium over other emerging markets has narrowed, which could make Indian equities more appealing to global investors. Ultimately, everything now depends on how the geopolitical situation evolves. UR Bhatt, co-founder of Alphanity Fintech, says markets have already priced in most known risks. But a wider conflict could change the equation. In an extreme scenario, he warns, the Nifty slipping toward 19,000 cannot be ruled out. However, such a fall would likely require a major escalation. For now, he suspects the Nifty to find support near its 52-week low of 21,743.65. Follow for more stories.